And here are the crypto top headlines. First up, expert says XRP community was right about ETHGate allegation. Next, is the SEC set to greenlight 12 outstanding spot Bitcoin ETFs within 8 days? Also, Ripple partner SBI unveils $100 million crypto fund. Will it be denominated in XRP? Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, expert says XRP community was right about ETHGate allegation. Crypto media analyst Joshua Jake has thrown his weight behind XRP community members, stating that they were correct in their allegations about Ethereum. In an X post yesterday, Jake said the XRP community members were right about the ETHGate scandal. Surprisingly, he emphasized that the ETHGate scandal could be bigger than FTX's. Notably, ETHGate is a theory alleging that Ethereum officials established close relationships with insiders of top government agencies, especially the SEC, to provide a favorable regulatory environment for the cryptocurrency. ETHGate echoes Fed's controversial formation. According to Jake, the ETHGate scandal echoes the controversial formation of the United States Federal Reserve in 1910. At the forefront of the scandal is the relationship between former SEC officials Jay Clayton and Bill Hinman and Ethereum, Jake said. The crypto analyst said evidence suggests that Consensus, a blockchain company owned by Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin, lobbied the SEC for the ETH Free Pass speech. Recall that Hinman, in his infamous speech in June 2018, declared Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities. Jake pointed out that the Hinman speech spotlights regulatory favoritism, emphasizing that other crypto projects faced massive crackdowns for conducting an initial coin offering, or ICO, similar to Ethereum. SEC bias could undermine its credibility in crypto regulation. The analyst highlighted Ripple as one of the recipients of the SEC's crackdown. He stated that the Ripple lawsuit sheds light on the potential conflicts at the SEC, indicating the regulator's contrasting treatment of Ethereum and XRP. And I'm going to stop here the article and go to Twitter and show some of Joshua's tweets here. The XRP community was right about ETHGate. It might be bigger than the FTX scandal. The ETHGate scandal is unraveling, echoing the controversial formation of the Federal Reserve in 1910. Former SEC Chairman Jay Clayton and Director William Hinman are at the heart of this, with connections to Consensus and Ethereum that raise eyebrows. Revelations from court filings and video evidence point to Consensus lobbying the SEC for Ethereum's free pass. Meanwhile, similar ICOs faced harsh SEC crackdowns. The infamous Ethereum speech by Hinman that deemed Ethereum not a security spotlights regulatory favoritism. Ripple's lawsuit, filed on Clayton's last SEC day, brings potential conflicts to light, contrasting SEC's treatment of XRP and Ethereum. Ripple argues for fair notice and due process, which could redefine the SEC's crypto authority. Why the disparity? Ethereum gets a regulatory nod while Ripple faces a lawsuit. It's a tangled web of interests with SEC officials linked to Ethereum's allies. This bias has significant implications for the SEC's role and credibility in crypto regulation. ETHGate underscores systemic issues in oversight, influencing cryptocurrency's path forward. Advocating for transparency is pivotal as it will steer the evolution of blockchain governance and technological advancement for the decades to come. And coming back to the article here, furthermore, Jake added that the SEC's bias could undermine its credibility in regulating the crypto industry. Pro-XRP lawyer reacts. Reacting, pro-XRP lawyer Bill Morgan said the expert contrasted SEC's regulatory favoritism to Ethereum with its enforcement actions against Ripple. Attorney Morgan raised a pertinent question, asking how long the market would take to correct the distortion created by the SEC enforcement action. SEC actions helped ETH secure second spot. He emphasized that the distortion helped Ethereum to secure the second spot in the global crypto ranking over better competitors. Notably, before Hinman gave the infamous speech, both ETH and XRP were in a tight contest over which crypto asset would rank as the second largest crypto by market cap. At press time, ETH is ranked second with a market cap of $252.43 billion. However, XRP stands as the third largest crypto asset with a valuation of $86.53 billion. Ethereum corruption is bigger than FTX. Meanwhile, Jake's remark comes hours after Steven Narioff, a prominent crypto advisor, alleged that Ethereum's corruption is 1,000 times bigger than the ones committed by FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. The crypto advisor alleged that Ethereum co-founders Joseph Lubin and Vitalik Buterin had secret dealings with corrupt government officials, including SEC Chair Gary Gensler and former Chairman Jay Clayton. There's a tweet here from Steven Narioff. Ethereum is the fraudulent elephant in the room in plain sight, 1,000 times bigger than SBF. Joe Lubin and Vitalik Buterin have been the front with corrupt officials at the highest levels of federal agencies such as Clayton, Gensler, and many others. Cover this now. Our next top headline is the SEC set to greenlight 12 outstanding spot Bitcoin ETFs within 8 days. The SEC has a potential time frame from November 9th to November 17th in which it could potentially approve all 12 pending spot Bitcoin ETF filings. The SEC has a brief window on November 9th to potentially approve all 12 spot Bitcoin ETF applicants in the U.S. This opportunity will last at least 8 days. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission may approve all 12 pending spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund applications within this time frame. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert and Eric Balchunas believe there's a 90% chance of spot Bitcoin ETF approvals by January 10th. Potential window for SEC approval of Bitcoin ETFs. In a recent report, Seifert and Balchunas noted a potential window for the SEC to approve all 12 pending spot Bitcoin ETF filings, including Grayscale's BTC trust conversion, between November 9th and November 17th. Given the SEC's recent extension of the deadline for several pending filings, this period was highlighted as a possibility, with November 8th being the last day of the comment period. After November 17th, the comment period for 3 filings, including Global X Bitcoin Trust, Hashdex Bitcoin ETF, and Franklin Bitcoin ETF, would restart. That means a decision on these filings would not be made until after November 23rd. Although the window for accepting all 12 filings closes on November 17th, Seifert mentioned that the SEC could theoretically decide on 9 of the 12 applications before January 10th. While this development could be positive and negative for Bitcoin enthusiasts, some individuals expressed contentment at the prospect of major Wall Street players holding significant amounts of their favored asset. Grayscale in talks with SEC. As the cryptocurrency community eagerly anticipates the SEC's decision on Bitcoin ETFs, crypto asset manager Grayscale has reportedly engaged in discussions with the regulator regarding its application to convert its flagship trust product, GBTC, into spot Bitcoin ETF. Sources familiar with the matter suggest that Grayscale has been in contact with the SEC's Division of Trading and Markets and the Division of Corporation Finance since winning its court battle with the regulator on August 29th. The increasing belief in the potential approval of a Bitcoin ETF has contributed to a surge in optimism within the crypto market. Over the past 3 months, Bitcoin's price has risen by more than 30%, consequently driving up the valuations of other major assets in the crypto space. Analysts have projected that introducing a spot Bitcoin ETF could draw between $50 billion and $100 billion in investment over the next 5 years. This influx of capital has the potential to bring about a substantial transformation in the market dynamics of the asset. Our next top headline, Ripple partner SBI unveils $100 million crypto fund. Will it be denominated in XRP? SC Ventures, the investment arm of Standard Chartered Bank, has joined forces with SBI Holdings, a prominent Japanese financial conglomerate, to establish a substantial $100 million crypto venture in the United Arab Emirates, or UAE. This initiative aims to invest in various aspects of the crypto sphere, including decentralized finance, tokenization, infrastructure payments, and the emerging Metaverse. Importantly, this collaboration extends its reach globally, focusing on financing startups from seed to Series C funding rounds. Crypto market resurgence and bullish sentiment. The announcement of this joint venture comes at a time when the cryptocurrency markets are showing signs of resurgence. With Bitcoin currently trading at around 36,800, marking a remarkable year-to-date gain of over 120%, it's evident that renewed interest is taking hold. This resurgence is not limited to Bitcoin alone, as spot crypto trading volume on centralized exchanges witnessed a notable increase in October after 4 consecutive months of decline. These indicators suggest that the crypto market is anticipating the potential approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF early next year. Alex Manson, the CEO of SC Ventures, has outlined the venture's strategy, emphasizing strategic and minority investments in crypto startups. This approach leverages SC Ventures' extensive experience in digital assets, drawn from ventures such as Zodia Custody and Zodia Markets, and investments in fintech companies like Ripple and Medico. SC Ventures recently exited its stake in Medico when Ripple acquired it for a significant $250 million. It's worth highlighting that SC Ventures and SBI Holdings have previously co-invested in several startups, including Solve, Zodia Custody, and MyZoi. This track record of successful collaboration sets the stage for the $100 million crypto ventures success in the UAE and beyond. SBI Holdings expanding investment reach. In addition to this collaboration, SBI Holdings is set to launch a separate fund by the end of the year, earmarking up to 100 billion yen, approximately $663 million, for investment in Web3, AI, and fintech startups. Notably, other Japanese financial giants, including Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation, Mitsuho Bank, Nippon Life Insurance, and Daiwa Securities Group have already committed to investing over 50 billion yen in this fund. This expansion underscores the growing interest in emerging technologies and the appetite for strategic investments. Ripple's XRP performance. Ripple's native token XRP has been making market waves. Currently hovering around the 70-cent mark, XRP has recorded a nearly 4% gain in the last 24 hours alone. Over the past 30 days, XRP has surged by nearly 41%, moving from a low of 49 cents to a high of 70 cents. The cryptocurrency's steady climb reflects strong bullish sentiments and suggests the potential for further growth. With XRP's impressive performance, the question on many investors' minds is whether it will surpass the $1 mark and reach $2. Leading on-chain metrics and price prediction firm CoinCodex has provided an optimistic outlook, forecasting that XRP could approach $2 sometime in 2024. The prediction estimates a yearly high of $1.95, falling just 5 cents short of the $2 milestone. This bullish forecast considers the adoption of Ripple's fintech solutions by leading global banks. HSBC, for instance, recently launched a digital asset custody service in collaboration with Ripple-owned entities. Additionally, JP Morgan introduced its first collateral settlement using blockchain technology, further cementing the role of blockchain in the financial sector. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.